What is climate change? So, the definition of climate change is a change in global or regional climate patterns, a change apparent from the mid to late 20th century onwards and attributed largely to increased levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide produced by using fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and natural gases. What causes climate change, you may ask? Well, it's mostly human activity. So we depend on fossil fuels to make our homes warm, to run our vehicles, for manufacturing, and to provide electricity to our TVs or computers. So greenhouse gases, so when fossil fuels, when they are used for energy, they emit a greenhouse gas such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. And 82% of greenhouse gases in our atmosphere are carbon dioxide. So the greenhouse effect is when the Earth's surface becomes warm when the sun is shining through the atmosphere. And when at night the Earth cools down and some of that heat is released back into the air. However, some of that heat is trapped by the greenhouse gases. So for example, here you can see a natural greenhouse effect in which solar radiation hits the Earth and then later it's released back into the atmosphere and released back into the air. And usually there's not a lot of greenhouse gases and it only traps a little bit of heat. However, with human activity, as you can see on the right, it causes more heat to be trapped within. When we have more greenhouse gases, less heat is being released back into space and into the air, so more heat is being trapped within the Earth's surface. So impacts of climate change can include more frequent heat waves, higher sea levels due to melting glaciers, ocean becomes more acidic because of carbon dioxide, more large wildfires and lengthy wildfire seasons, increase the risk of drought and stress to animals in their habitats. So as you can see here, we have more wildfires, and this is a comparison to rising sea levels, and we can see that this polar bear is in bad health because of how their habitat is changing. So ways you can help is to turn off your lights to reduce electricity, take shorter showers to reduce the use of heated water, plant more trees to absorb carbon dioxide, and recycle more waste. Thank you for watching.